The flavors are incredible.
Hi, I'm Maya Feller, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist. Today, I want to demo a recipe from my cookbook for you. It is the berbere spice chickpea stew. This recipe was encouraged and developed by Chef Gerald Sunbright, who's actually the only Black American man to receive a Michelin star. And he contributed this recipe to Eating from Our Roots, and it is just a love note to the African continent. I got the inspiration for my cookbook from kind of my life growing up as a third culture kid. My grandparents are from Trinidad and Tobago and Haiti. I have these memories of food being abundant and flavor and just warmth and heat and spice, and I wanted to put that into my cookbook. So let's get cooking. Start by heating my pan, adding my avocado oil. I'm gonna add in my vegetables, carrots, my diced celery, onions. Let those cook a little bit and have the flavors come together. It smells so good. All right, now I'm gonna add a little garlic. You usually wanna start by preheating your oven because this is gonna go into the oven to bake. Just cooking this here until my onions are a little translucent. Now you really want to make sure that you allow these veggies to cook so the flavors can come out and they can break down a little in the pan for you. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste, my berbere spice. Now I'm going to add some chickpeas. I've used canned low sodium chickpeas. Now if you can't find low sodium chickpeas, you can always use regular chickpeas in a can, and if you rinse it twice, you'll cut the sodium content by 40%. Go ahead and add my broth. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to crack my eggs into this. And into the oven this is going to go. And we're going to let it bake for about 18 minutes until the eggs are set. So while my eggs are setting, I am going to mix my yogurt and cucumber together. I'm using whole full fat yogurt that I got from my local farmer's market. I just think it tastes delicious. And I've thinly sliced some cucumbers. If you'd like, you can salt your cucumbers. And then we'll also toast the sourdough and we will have a feast. Looking absolutely delicious. I have my sourdough toast. And I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up right now. I have some mint for garnish. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do.